I wrote Time to Awaken because over the last almost 2.5 years, we have experienced a world that has changed radically, and more changes are ahead for us. So I think that this is a time that it really needs us. It beckons us, it calls to us to be fully awake so that we can see the very things that are changing right before our eyes. I think the only way that we can really know what's going on in the world, especially today, is if we commit to being awake. And what I mean by that is to be fully present, fully conscious in every moment of our lives so that we can know exactly what's going on.